Hi guys, Matt here from Rakon Heli, and today I'm going to show you how to put these blade grips and this rotor head onto your 160 CFX. I'm also going to use this carbon fiber main tube to try and keep some weight off of it. So I've already taken these screws out. You'll need 2 hex drivers, and you just insert them in here and twist. And when I removed my feathering spindle, I found it was bent, so I had some new ones and I put those on. So make sure when you put the washers on that the flange is out, or else that will cut into your dampeners like that. So I'll remove this, poke out my dampeners, and put the dampeners back in here. You want to check your dampeners and make sure that they're not too worn. These aren't too bad, so I'm going to use them again. You put your spindle through, make sure your dampener doesn't come out. Then your washer with the flange, make sure the flat side touches the dampener. And I also have O-rings on my ball links. It kind of tightens everything up. I like the way it flies with them. Rakon has those on their site. So then we put these on, make sure the Rakon symbol's up. And then I'm going to use new screws to put in there. You'll also want to Loctite these screws. For time's sake, I'm not going to. I'll do that later before I fly it. And just get that one started so it holds in there. And then you can put your other one in. And then put your other hex driver in. And tighten them up. Of course, you don't want to tighten them too much. Still got a little play in it. And sometimes you get them crossed like that. So I gotta loosen it up so I can get the ball on the other side. So I'm also going to put a Rakon swash plate on here. So that just goes right on top here. We gotta get the ball in there straight. Put this on top. Line the holes up. Then anything like this, I'll put Elmer's glue on. I don't like to put Loctite on anything that doesn't touch all metal. I know Loctite can eat through plastics, and I'm not sure how much damage it could do to carbon fiber, but just to be safe, I use some Elmer's glue. And there you have it, your full Rakon head, swash, and main shaft.